For certain home improvement projects and woodworking projects, you often need to cut an arc or part of a circle. Now you can mark them using a can. This is a great way to do it. Either a large diameter circle, you can use a large paint can, or for smaller diameter circles or arcs, you can use a smaller can, a spray can. Then you just cut along there. But what happens if you need to cut a long sweeping arc? Well, you can't use a can, but you can do that using simply a length of string and a narrow wooden board. Start by using a handsaw to cut a slot on each end of the board and then tie a knot in the string. Now all you need to do is slip the string into one of the slots. There we go. Then flip the board around. And now just bend the board to the desired arc and slip the string into the second end. Then just tie it off so it doesn't slip. And there. You have what essentially looks like a kid's bow and arrow, right? And then you hold it in place onto your workpiece. Then you just mark it. Just draw the pencil right along the piece of wood that's being held again by that string. And there you go. Perfectly smooth arc, ready to be cut.